Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn about customer down payments and maintain payment terms in SAP. What is customer down payments in SAP? Down payment requests are created when an agreement has been made with the customer to provide a down payment for a product before it has been delivered or for a service before it has been provided. The customer pays a part of the total amount at the time of purchase or before delivery. What is payment terms in SAP FICO? Terms of payment means the conditions agreed upon between the business partners, be it the customer or the vendor. The conditions define the due date of the invoice and the discount offered for the payment of the invoice within the predefined time period. Assign sundry debtors with advances from customers. T-code OBXR. Click on symbol A for customer down payments. Give chart of accounts. Select reconciliation account 2208 for sundry debtors. Next select special GL account 1604 for advances from customer account. Click on Save. Next post customer down payment. T-code F-29. Select document date. Company code. Select currency. Enter document header text. Select customer account. Select special GL indicator A. Select bank account. Business area. Enter amount. Enter text. In amount field star. Business area. In text field plus. Click on Save. Document 502 was posted in company code time. Next select Display Document. Posting key 40 debit GL account. Posting key 19 credit special GL account. Next post customer invoice. T-code F-22. Select document date. Select customer account. Enter amount. Business area. Enter text. Posting key 50. Select sales account. In amount field star. Business area. In text field plus. Click on Save. Document 402 was posted in company code time. Next display document. Posting key 01 debit customer. Posting key 50 credit GL account. Next post customer down payment clear. T-code F-39. Select document date. Document header text. Select customer account. Enter text. Click on Process Open Items. Double-click on Transfer Posting. Go to Document, click on Simulate. Click on Save. Document 601 was posted in company code time. Next, display customer line item balances. T-code FBL5N. Select customer account. Select cleared items and date. Click on Execute. There is no cleared items yet. Select Open Items and execute. We have cleared down payments, still it's showing as open items. We can clear them by using T-code F-32. Select Customer Account. Click on Process Open Items. Click on Save. Again, go to FBL5N. Select Cleared Items and Date. Click on Execute. Now we can see the cleared documents. Next, maintain payment terms. T-code OBB8. Go to Position. Select your payment terms. Double-click on Payment Terms. This payment terms we have created in Account Payable. We can use this payment terms for vendor and customer also. We do not need to create new one. Here we have option to select vendor and customer. I am using same payment terms for customer. Assignment of cash discount paid for automatic postings. T-code OBXI. Select Chart of Account. Click on Save. Select 4,413 cash discount paid account. Click on Save. Assign payment methods to customer accounts. T-code FD02. Select Customer and click OK. Click on Company Code Data. Select Payment Transactions. Change Terms of Payment. Click on Save. Next, post customer invoice. T-code F-22. Select Document Date. Select Customer Account. Enter amount. Business area. Payment terms automatically updated. Enter text. Select Posting Key 50. Select Sales Account. In Amount field star. Business area. In Text field plus. Click on Save. Document 403 was posted in company code time. Go to Document. Select Display Document. We applied payment terms for this document. Next, post customer payment. T-code F-28. Select Document Date. Enter clearing text. Select Bank Account. Enter amount less 5% of invoice amount. Business area. Enter text. Select Customer Account. Click on Process Open Items. Amount we entered 19,000. Discount separated 1,000 from invoice amount. Percentage of discount 5. Not assigned 0. Go to Document, click on Simulate. Select second line item. Update the text for discount paid. Click on Save. Go to Document, select Display Document. We can see the document details. In line items 3, text was wrong. It should be customer payment. By mistake I given vendor payment instead of customer payment. Now I am going to change the line item text. Double-click on line item 3. Select Change Display icon. Change the text. Click on Save. Display document T-code FB03. Click Enter. Line item 3 text has changed. In this video we have learnt about customer down payments and maintain payment terms. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.